decisions. So, maganda yung nap ko. Walang panaginip sa dire-diretso. At, napahinga naman ako. So, ngayon magla-lunch time. Balik sa trabaho, pag-aaral. Stretching muna. So, ayan. Done. So, skincare. Tanghaling tapat. And of course, it's a scam. Hindi totoo yung 1 hour. Alauna na. So, 11. 11 to 12. 12 to 1. Anong problema ako? Alam mo saan ang trabaho ko na lang yung mga nasa sleep study. Yung natutulog lang. Ay, okay. Di ba may lunch na? Ano naka-prepare? Chicken kaya ito? 1 chicken naman. Tama ba? Mukha ba siyang chicken? Wait lang ko. So, ayun na nga. So, let's have coffee. Para masaya. Coffee counter 1 for today. So, ganun sa life. You continuously have to motivate yourself to do good, to do better, and to do more. And that's what we're going today. So, aral-aral na naman. And look, we have buko. But I need coffee. So, in this household, this is the coffee. Ay, in fairness, ang sarap din talaga nito. Ano ba to? Sikat ba to sa Malaysia? Yeah. Premium white coffee. Coffee puti. So, feeling ko Malaysian. Kung dito Malaysian, pasahin namin. Pero, ang sarap kasi niya. Kaya, meron kami laging pa-supply nito from my cousin. Yung anak, yes, Malaysia. So, Old Town. Try this. Tapos, ano pa yung isang masarap yung galing sa Ali Cafe. Doon naman sa kabilang bahay. Sa tropa ko siya titikman. So, walang sinabi ang ating coffee ko brown na favorite ko sa Philippines. So, ngayon, naisip ko, habang ako ay nag-handle the notes, I can listen to YouTube tutorial about the terms that I am defining. And then, of course, honey for the sugar. Maybe add more kasi madami kang pagtubig. And, pupuyat na naman niya. Buti nila umaaraw, pwede yung magpa-laundry. Tinatamad ako maglaba. So, dahil mas mahalaga yung time ko mag-aral, magpapa-laundry na lang ako. Check tayo ng mga ganap. Okay. Ayun, nag-uusap na ako mag-case assignment, pwedeng mag-volunteer sa APOE namin. Kaya lang random kasi magtawag si Prof. Dahil madugo, ang daming babasahin talaga. Okay. Updated agad sa stories. May viewer agad. So yeah. So let's study. Okay, coffee is here. Now, let's start. So, hindi ko pa na-finish yung isa. May panlima out of 15. And how am I going to finish all of that? So I still have 10 more bago mag-alas 4. Gawin natin ay mag-open ng YouTube. So, YouTube University helps. Diba? Tapos, of course,
What is the doctrine of res judicata? Res judicata means a matter already judged. This refers to a matter that has been decided or settled.
Ayoko nito. Bakit? Ibang bansa. Busog pa ako pero kumain ako kanina ng champorado. Kayo ba kumain na?
Ikaw ako natutulog.
Oo, nagnap talaga ako. Na-stress ako. Nag-attend ako ng class kanina, grabe.
Res judicata,
Ang
a
dami
Latin
namin
term meaning a matter
assignment.
already judged, is a legal principle in Philippine law that prevents the relitigation of a case that has already been decided by a competent court.
It ensures the finality of judgments and upholds judicial efficiency by preventing parties from repeatedly bringing the same issue to court. Res judicata is enshrined in Section 47, Rule 39 of the Rules of Court of the Philippines, which states that a final judgment or order in a previous case bars subsequent actions involving the same parties and the same subject matter. Did you know? Res judicata, a Latin term meaning a matter already judged, is a legal principle in Philippine law that prevents the relitigation of a case that has... Can you
Res judicata explain.
So yun. Yun ang inaaral
Can you
ko
file the same case twice? Short answer, no.
No.
That's the doctrine of res judicata. What's judged once stays judged. Once a court has made a final decision on a matter between the same parties, you can't
Same
reopen it
parties
in
and
another
same
suit.
issue.
Key conditions include the same parties, same issue, and a competent court. It's codified in Section 11 of the Civil Procedure Code, but it even applies to writs under Articles 32 and 226. Landmark cases like Darial v. State of UP confirmed this principle. And remember, constructive res judicata means you can't raise a point in a new case that you should have raised earlier. No second innings in court. Justice must end in certainty, not repetition. Can you file the same
Justice
case twice?
must
Short
end
answer,
in certainty,
no.
not
That's the doctrine of res
repetition.
judicata. What's judged once
Okay, so dapat pag
stays
nag-file
judged.
ka na ng case, lahat na ng evidence mo nandun na.
Res judicata explain. Ever heard that you can't be tried twice for the same issue? Res judicata equals matter already judged.
So hindi siya double
That's res
jeopardy.
judicata, a rule in Section 11 of the Civil Procedure Code.
So efficiency,
If parties,
finality,
subject, and issue are the same, when the same parties, subject, and issue are involved, and the court has given a final verdict, you can't file the case again. You cannot file a new case on that same matter again. Saves time and avoids harassment. This
Ayun.
saves court time
Saves
and
time.
protects people from repeated litigation. A sued B over land and loss. Can a sue again? No. For example, if A sues B over land and loses, A cannot sue B again over the same land dispute. One chance, fair chance. Res judicata equals matter already judged.
One chance,
One
fair
shot,
chance.
fair shot. That's the meaning of res judicata. Justice scales with final decision stamp.
one fair.
Like,
Ano yun?
share and subscribe for more.
Ulitin natin. Maganda yung
Res
sinabi
judicata,
niya.
what happens when a res judicata explain. Ever heard that you can't this land and loss? Can a sue again? No. For example, if A sues B over land and loses, A cannot sue B again over the same land dispute. One chance, fair chance. Res judicata
One
equals
chance, fair
matter
chance.
already
Sulat ko
judged.
yan.
One shot, fair shot. That's the meaning of res judicata. Justice scales
One
with final
chance,
decision
fair
stamp.
chance.
Like, share, and subscribe for more. Res
One
judicata
shot.
explain. Ever heard that you can't be tried twice for the same issue? What happened?
Principle of res judicata in 1.5 minutes. Okay?
That
So
is
please note that
in
two
both
courts
Philippine
are
and
fighting.
international
When they
context.
approach one court of law, that is court number A, और यहाँ इसको तीसरा तरीके से बोलते हैं. और यहाँ पे
Pero ito na-encounter ka nito sa debate. So in a way, nice naman.
Alright
Kaya
team, we're
naintindihan ko siya.
transitioning to flag, but tasks are still going to be on
Slight.
Did
Last
you
time
see my
ko siya
clappy clap post?
na-encounter
There was no clappy claps on it.
sa
Make sure you track your time on Fireplace.
mood competition.
And ping me on SmackDog.
Guys,
Next
we don't need
stability.
any of those anymore. We have ClickUp.
Where do we chat?
ClickUp.
What about managing projects?
ClickUp.
Docs?
Also ClickUp.
AI?
It's all ClickUp.
Yeah, but how do we get Adam's dog to stop peeing in the office?
Stability provides the rule of law by upholding decisions of the court. Okay, so meron siyang efficiency, finality, stability.
Sometimes court cases can drag on forever.
Promotes
Sometimes
the-
even evolution seems to be faster. But believe it or not, a case can have an actual conclusion. That's when a court makes a final ruling that cannot be appealed or pursued any further through litigation. This is called res judicata. And
Ayun, at least
not
natutunan ko yung mga
technical term.
pronunciation. It's
It's
res
Latin, and it
judicata.
means a matter already judged. A party can invoke res judicata to prevent the same
Yay,
opposing
lima
party
na.
from bringing up the same claim against them.
Okay. Next
That was
tayo.
made in a case that was already decided. A court of law is no place for Groundhog Day. For example, say someone sues a small business for negligence because he slipped and fell in the store, injuring himself. A verdict is then reached that the business was not negligent, and if there are no grounds for an appeal,
Yes, law
the
naman
case
to.
is over. The person injured cannot then try to sue the same business again for the same reason.
Mhm.
Now, res judicata only applies to the exact two parties in the previous case. The outcome has no effect on someone who wasn't a party. So if a new party brings a case against the same defendant, res judicata
Does
cannot
not
be used,
apply. Okay.
even if the case arises out of the same or similar situation. This is because everyone should have a chance to prove their own case. You are not bound by the outcome of someone else's case, because, well, maybe you can put on a better case.
Not bound by someone
Put
else's.
on the best case
Ulit,
possible.
maganda yung
Be
sinabi
sure to
niya.
be prepared and use someone else's case, because even if the case arises out of the same or similar situation, this is because everyone should have a chance to prove their own case. You are not bound by the outcome of someone else's case,
Not
because,
bound
well,
on
maybe
the
you can put on a
outcome
better case. To put on the best case
of
possible,
someone
be sure
else's
to be
case.
prepared and use all the help you can get, including Legal U. Legal
Okay.
U, you can do
So
this.
that's nice. Mga one-liner tagline. So moving on.
Rebus sextantibus meaning. Things thus standing.
Oh. Asa na? Anong explanation? Ay, pronunciation lang. Siya nga. So, ayan, check natin.
Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Indeed.
Ala, umuulan na naman.
आज हमारा टेंथ लेक्चर होगा जिसमें हम
Ay, nako.
ट्रेन ऑफ
Paano makapaglaba?
डिस्कस करेंगे ठीक है तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ रीवर्स सिक स्टैंटिबस बेसिकली
So it allows for the modification.
और ये जो है इसके बेसिस के ऊपर किसी भी ड्यूटी को टर्मिनेट किया जा सकता है
Modification or termination.
लास्ट लेक्चर में जो हमने टर्मिनेशन ऑफ ड्यूटीज को
Shucks, hindi ko marinig. Wala pa naman akong dalang earpiece. Ayoko ng explanation ni ate. Ang hina ng boses niya. Ayan, na-excite ako na sa tututunan ko kasi narinig ko lang to dahil sa debate. Di ko naman siya naiintindihan.
And I'll be presenting my law treaties assignment for the midterms on journal review. The journal that I'll be reviewing is written by Desidik Suraputra in Journal Hukum International, the
Hindi
11th
ko naman
volume.
maintindihan. Baseline law. Ano na ba to? So, minsan kailangan mo talaga maghanap ng
Sic Stantibus.
good channel para mag-explain sa'yo. Pero kung mas lalo ka pang mahihirapan, diba, nakakaloka.
Fall in love with the new richer taste of Cadbury.
Modification or termination of a contract. Oh,
Anytime, anywhere. Vicks Inhaler.
of a contract
What
or
is rebus
treaty.
sic stantibus? The Latin phrase rebus sic stantibus,
Due
meaning as things stand,
to
is
a
encountered most
fundamental-
commonly in international law, where nations agree to abide by treaties as long as the circumstances remain unchanged. Nations can choose to withdraw from treaties, citing this as the reason. Although this is a violation of the basic premise of
Shucks, ang lakas ng
contract, people
ulan.
must keep promises unless the terms of a contract are actively violated. In international law, there is some special
Okay. So, very substantial changes. Fundamental pala change nangyari. When it was. So, pwede ka nang umalis dun sa kasunduan. O, yun lang ang gets doon. It acts as an escape law. Escape clause. Fudge! Bakit kung kailan pa may klase na ganito saka ang lakas ng ulan? Hindi pa intindihan pinapanood ko. Escape clause. To the general principle versus Pacta sunt servanda that agreements must be kept.
Choosing to exit a treaty
Versus, so
is
i-highlight natin yan.
law different from other areas of the law.
Pacta
People cannot
sunt
use rebus sic stantibus to determine
servanda.
contracts and agreements. Critics of the use of this act for international
Meaning,
treaties
agreements must be kept.
destabilizes the value of treaties and makes it harder for them to enforce. If nations can cry rebus sic stantibus to look out of treaties no longer to their advantage, this undermines the importance of treaty agreements. A treaty can be structured in a way.
Okay, so preparing for my 47 class. I just had lunch. Time check, 3:53. So I have 7 minutes to prepare. So, magpo-formal-formalan tayo. Kasi baka strict yung professor.
Okay, so na-define na natin kung ano yung territorial waters.
So, ito lang naman ang kita. Kaya, laban na yun. Ayun na yung setup ko. So, advanced review muna. Tapos, mag-lecture ako from the notes and reports. So, hopefully, maging successful tayo sa ating public international law. At nakatayo ng 3 hours, 4 to 7. So,
sabi ni Google,
I'll connect na sa Zoom.
1 nautical mile
Para
is
sure
1.8
nga
kilometers. So yun yun.
ano ko,
Mas malaki ang nautical
ready
mile.
to go.
Ngayon, from the territorial water, you measure 12 nautical miles.
Sige, Attorney Duca, thank you so much. Marami akong natutunan. Sana magtanong sa
Contiguous
Resit.
zone is not part of our territory. But take note, we have limited
Quiet ka na.
jurisdiction to enforce our laws and
Okay na yung
prevent
ilaw ko. Kita naman
infringement
ako
of
sa video.
customs, fiscal, immigration,
I
or
need quiet
sanitary
time na
laws.
Attorney Duca.
Example, may nagtatapon ng basura sa contiguous zone. Pwedeng arestuhin ang ating Coast Guard.
Yes. Okay. Yep. So, good. So, I still have 6 minutes. Try ko i-continue. Now, I'm gonna write in customary international laws. What are these? Returns. And for easy access. Establish international practices. So, these are arising from establish international practices rather than formal treaties. Okay. So, parang bawal kang pumatay. Di ba? In all countries naman siguro, karamihan, bawal ka talagang pumatay. Or conventions. It is formed by consistent and widespread state practice. It is considered as primary source of international law. Primary source of international law. Okay, another definition. Formed by consistent so mamaya dapat attentive mag-lecture kasi galaw. Pag hindi ka nag-note-taking habang nagdi-discuss, baka magpa-blindfold resit. So lahat kami dapat merong notebook at nakikita na nagsusulat. Plus isasubmit namin to. Parang we have to scan as part of our class requirement or class study. Need to improve my, pero wala. Never na talaga mag-improve ang handwriting ko. Ganito na ako simula bata. Tsaka. Okay, so bigyan natin ng example. Diplomatic immunity. Tapos yung kaka-learn lang natin kanina na non-refoulement in terms of mga refugees. 1, refoulement. 2. Immunity for visiting heads. Head of state. So, custom establishment. How do customary law are established? By number 1. Variety of sources. So all of these are AI generated. Diplomatic correspondence. So i-check ko na lang mamaya. Depende sa report and discussion. Government statements. So, eto mga ideas at concept ay nagagamit sa moot court, official publications, military manuals, and national court decision. Okay. 3:59. Bye! Gotta go. Pwede at eto na nga, meron kaming 10-minute break. O diba? Ang bongga, natawag ako agad. Buti na lang, nakikinig ako. At dahil mahilig daw sa BTS si Prof, ayan ang aming intermission for the 10 minutes health break. So, ako ay magkakape. Coffee number 2. Buti nila nakasagot talaga ako kanina. Tinanong ako kung organization daw ba ang ICC. Nasagot ng isang classmate ko. So sabi ko, hindi po kasi yung mga member state na nag-sign ng Rome Statute nandun. Basta ang binigay ko, sabi ko, ang organizations are like Asian Development, ADB, mga ganyan, NATO. So, turns out yun. Medyo tama naman pala ako. Kaya, at ang tawag niya sa akin ay Mark. So, sige, nakaka na nga din. Ayun naman talagang pangalan niya. So, ayun. Hopefully, oh gosh, it's 5:47. Babalik kami ng 6. So, isang oras pa. Ang dami na. Ang dami ka na nasusulat. Sana ibigay niyo yung slides niyo, yung presentation. Kasi, medyo konti lang nasa slides, pero nagdi-discuss siya. Ang dami ng mga sinasabi, like mga Lichtenstein principle na parang wala yun sa syllabus, so hindi ko alam. Tapos meron siya mga sinasabi na jus gentium. So, ewan ko. Jus gentium. Ito pala yun. But anyhow, at least surviving. Saka, hopefully, nakapag-recipe na. Okay, coffee's done. Nabuhayan tayo ng loob. Like, ang dami naman inaaral. Nakaka-scared. Like, when you level up in the higher years, parang the level of seriousness and the demand of your study time and like how complex it is, like the topics. It's a bagay kasi third year subjects nga pala to. So sabay natin, ano ba? BTS or Saja Boys? Ano yung next? So, okay lang. Surviving week 1 of pasukan. Sino makilala ko dito? Si RM lang kilala ko dito. Saka sino isa? Isang fruit. Jimmy. Okay, we're back. Hi. Hey. We're done with our first class. Yes, tapos na first class. Thank you, Doc. At least. Oh my gosh, I survived. Ang dami ding mag-notes. Pero ang bilis mag-discuss. Kasi aside naman. So, hopefully, i-upload ang mga PowerPoint. Kasi hindi ako makahabol sa pag-susulat. Ang hirap ng pwesto ko. Tapos, ang bilis talaga. So, kailangan nagbabasa. Pero may mga naintindihan naman ako. Pero it helps na mag-advance reading ka. Definition ng concepts. Pero nakakapagod. That's 3 hours of straight listening and all. But I love it. So, I'm enjoying. Kaya, tuloy lang ang pag-aaral mamaya. But meron pa kami usapan ng mga group kasi baka mag-debate na next week. So, pag-usapan namin ang roles kung sino researcher, sino mag-debate. Eh, walang pasok sa Sunday. Kasi nga, yung sa iglesia. So, bye! So, ayan, perfect. It's 9 o'clock. I can have dinner. I'm gonna celebrate because I did good today. So, we'll be eating the tira na reheat na pochero and then yung kangkong with kaya lang hindi napapakita mo kung kaning baboy kasi pinaghalo-halo ka na siya. So, ayun, naitawid naman namin ang aming 3 hours na mukhang natuwa si attorney Doc. And hopefully, puro ganon. Tapos ang gaan kasi tulungan sa class. May mga palaro, may mga nagre-recite, mayroon nagre-report. So, kung puro ganon, at kami lang din magdi-discuss. So, that's nice. Kasi, hindi kami blindfold recite. And that's good. So, ngayon, I'm gonna eat. So, let's pray and let's thank the Lord that we have food on our table. While I watch Snow White. So, while eating. And, buti na lang, nakadalawang kape lang ako today. Hindi naman ako sumobra. So, eto na yung magiging rest ko. Tapos, tutuloy ako sa pagle-lecture. And, magbabasa na ako ng mga 38 pages for my admin law for next week. Kasi, mukhang mas matindi. Mas matindi yung mga kailangan kong gawin for that subject. So yeah, congratulations, I survived my first... Nag-submit pala ako ng bagong subject sa registrar. Kasi may message ako na hindi daw mabigyan ng resibo dahil kulang ako 11 units for subject. So, nagre-request ako ngayon na dagdagan ako ng another third year subject, which is legal form. Ang init. Dahil, feeling ko madali yun. So, sana i-approve nila. Kasi hindi ko kaya mag-take ng ibang subject na marami pang case reading. Dahil kukunin naman ng isang subject yung energy ko at time ko, which is admin law. So, mahirapan ako dun. Ramdam ko na agad. So, sana mabago ang kapalaran. Dahil hindi naman ako tamad. It's just, gusto ko lang mag-sleep. Hindi ko kayang 4 na oras ng sleep per day. So, yun lang. Bye! So, it started to rain hard here, na? And, tapos na akong basa ang slide. So, I'm gonna call it a night. Matutulog na ako. So, bawi na lang ulit. At parang hindi nag-charge yung phone ko. Bawi na lang ulit. Bukas. Kung ano nangyayari. Wala nang alarm. Kung ano oras na ba yung magigising. Bahala na. You deserve a good sleep. So, sana hindi ako mapagod sa panaginip ko ngayon. So, dapat relax lang. And all. So, yan. Bye. Good night. So, hi. Monday. In my natural state. Like, the real me. It's 10:48. Natulog ako kagabi ng 12. Tapos, konting scroll lang sa social media. Till now. Actually, Magising ako ng 10. Nag-check lang ako. Tapos ayan. Woke up like this. 10:48. So 11. So tama, di ba? That's my usual, my average. Talagang 8 hours to 11 hours of sleep. And that's the adjustment that I have to deal with. One is magkaka-work na. So kung reporting time ko is 8 to 5, so I have to wake up. Mababawasan yung tulog. Diba? Hindi na pwede talagang 10 hours or 11 hours yung tulog. And then, mag-aaral pa. So talaga magiging 4 hours, 5 hours na lang ang tulog. Ay, ano ba itong pinasa ko? So today's agenda. I'll check. Pwede na ba magpa-laundry today? Yung maaraw na. Ay, makalimlim pa rin. So, pwede pa rin umulan. Wow! Skinning. I love it. So, iba talaga kapag nag-moisturize ka before going to sleep. So, look at that. That's bare face, natural. So, lekya ang gagawin. Have to do my laundry. Kasi, lahat ng mga suotin kong damit for our competition in Baguio ay galing sa balikbayan box and maleta na nakastock. So, I have how many days para mapalaundry siya. Ngayon, magka-coffee na and then diretso aral. So, tuloy ko yung handwritten notes ko and then yung pagpabasa ko ng admin law na hindi ko naiintindihan. Maybe pag nagbasa ako ng case, that's the time na maintindihan ko. Ayan, dito lang ako sa bahay ng tita ko. So this is my cousin's room. Ayan, magkausap silang dalawang magkapatid ay magkausap. Dahil nga, ang mga cousin ko ay puro babae. At sila nagpalaki sa akin. So, ako yung favorite cousin nila. That's why I'm a Disney princess. Yun lang. Char. Bye. Good morning. At magigising ka talaga. Oh my gosh. Like, who wouldn't love that? Gigising ka na lang para kumain and all. What's this? Oh, it's daing na bangus and chicken adobo. With egg. And what's this? Bagong. My God. Imagine. My God. Sharp ng buhay. Why? Hi guys! So, good morning and have breakfast with me. So, napag-wash na ako ng face. Parang 11:15 na. I woke up like 10:48-ish. So, this is my breakfast. Pang-apat na kanin ko na starting yesterday. Sino nagluto? Ikaw? So, look. Oo nga. Lunch yan. Mamaya. So look at this adobo. This is like the adobo that I want. The one with mantika. Kasi sa mantika pa lang, mabubuhay na ako. Love it! So we have Ate Risa. Siya yung nagluluto here. Kaya hindi na ako tatanggi for breakfast. Dahil it's cooked with love. Diba? Thank you, Ate Risa. Kumain sila na daing? Or ano ba to? Kapartner ba to ng miswa? Ng patola. Patola pa. So yun na. So let's eat and let's thank the Lord because we have food for today.
Yung kape mo,
Eto. Oo, mag-init ako ng tubig. Uy, ang lakas ng ulan. Ano ba? Parang masarap matulog. Hindi. So hindi ako makakapag-review sa baba kasi naririnig ko yung Julanis Morissette. Balik ako sa kwarto. And that's the problem pag nasa kwarto ka. May kama. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Paano ang mangyari. Plus, maganda na lang tayo. So again, Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. So if you have the time, the luxury, the resources, it's very important. Kaya, clear skin is in. So, kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Sobrang love natin skincare kasi late natin natutunan na dapat to take good care of your skin. Plus yun, lalo na sa mga kabataan, pag may mga breakout ka pa, totoo yun. Kung kailan ka magta-30s, 40s, that's the time you feel good about yourself. And for me, it's true. Parang, I gain my confidence at this chapter of my life. Siguro, it helps din na syempre nagkatrabaho, nagkapera ka. You can afford like products, facial and all. But yeah, it's good to invest on your skin early on kasi mas mahal magpa Botox, fillers, and surgery. Ako, ang problema ko na lang talaga will be this, my nose. And yung mga wrinkles ko, that's okay. I can accept that. Saka etong sa mata ko. Ganun talaga. So, you age na lang with grace and naturally. Wow. Pero, once you find your confidence, your inner beauty, na mabuti kang tao, meron kang 10 to 30% pagka maldito, I think, that's acceptable. Ayun, you are what you eat. So today, gosh, nag-rice ako. Kasi ang sarap ng ulam and all. Ano mo pwede pang i-add? Garang laman eh. Toner. Mag-vitamin C serum na lang ulit. Para habang nagre-review, we're pretty. Perfect. And now, I'm ready to face the world confidently. Beautiful. Ganon. Nagagago na naman tayo. So mukhang magkakaproblema pa kami dun sa Baguio kasi may announcement na baka nga malala the bagyo. May mga falling rocks, landslide and all. Ay, umano sila. Saan sila pumunta? So, malakas din ang ulan dito. Like, look at the balcony, veranda. Inaabot ng water. But at least, we're thankful that we're safe. Walang tumutulong ulan. So, sana, di ba? Ang saya sana kung lahat ng mga kakilala mo or lahat tayo hindi maayos na bubong, may pagkain. So kahapon nung lumakas yung ulan, my gosh, hindi ko marinig si Prof kasi hindi ko dala yung earpiece ko. Ngayon, magseryoso tayo. Wala din naman akong magagawang iba. Kahit gusto kong rumampa, walang pupuntahan, magiging maulan lang, maputik. So let's study. Tapusin ko yung pagbabasa ko ng notes. Madilim pa pero okay. So yeah. At eto, yan, nako, ang the curse ng kama. So, mahihiga kang ganyan, pakak. Tapos, popwesto. Popwesto ka na. Sasabihin mo, mag-aaral-aral ka. Ano naman, dito ka, tabihan mo ako, gano'n. Tapos, eventually, for sure, makakatulog tayo. Kaya, ang solusyon dyan ay magpatugtog ng music. Pero kung may kasama ka nagre-review, diba? Tapos, ika holding hands kayo, niyayakap kaya, tapos pagkitimpla ka ng kape, di ka makakatulog sa pagre-review, mas gaganahan ka mag-aral. Kimi! So, serious na tayo. Ay, alam ba, nabuksan ko yung slide ng cortina. Pero nakakagana din kasi ng mood kapag meron kang sunlight. Eh pag mga ganitong gloomy days, diba? You just feel like nasa bed and all. So magpatugtog tayo. Ay, natapos yung pinapatugtog ko kahapon. Why? 2017 Summer Nostalgia Mix. Mag-avail pala ako ng Iskra. So I love it. May nag-offer. Parang $454, 6 months. Yeah, which is mura kasi parang the first that I avail it, like $650 yung charge sa akin. May mga taga-ibang school or frat or something na sorority na yun ang promo nila. Para it's easier for me to download cases and then nakatag siya kung ano yung mga nakatag siya kung ano yung mga topic or syllabus. So, 8 na daw kami. But we need to avail it na 15 kami. So, I'll help out para may access sa Iskra kasi nahirapan akong dun sa isang subject. Like, hindi ko mahanap kung ano yung mga cases kasi hindi GR yung nakalagay. Mga parang PIL. So, Iskra references siya or something. May bago akong inad sa Facebook, crush ko. Inspiration. Distraction. Ayun, yung pinapanood ko ng Facebook story. Ang cute kasi eh. Hindi, magbasa na ulit. So, ayan. So, I'm on page 43. Look at that. So, kailangan matapos yung 85 pages. So, ilan pa yung babasahin ko? This is for Abby. So, yung priority kong aralin at tapusin before the week ends. So, we're all about non-delegation powers. So, na-identify na the batas daw should be complete in form. Meaning, naka-identify kung sino yung mga department, saan kukuha ng pondo, ano yung magiging trabaho, responsibility, and it should also be complete in substance. Like how are they going to do about minding their own business. Super o diba, yung mga cases dito ay usually mga US case. So, paano siya hanapin? That's why I need Iskra. Ang hirap hanapin sa net. Dapat measure yung Act of Congress, nullify the principle of separation of powers and checks. So we have 3 branches of the government. That's why the legislative daw cannot assign their work to the department or the body that they're going to create. Kasi that's unconstitutional. Hindi mo siya pwedeng bigyan ng... So dito may nangyari yung sa general so nagtitinda ng bigas, binigyan nila ng power na pwede niyang iset yung price and all. Ayun, na abuso. Si ano yun? Ang Taho. So, yeah. Kinasuhan si Ang Taho. Just loving this chill vibe. Walang problema. Imagine it. Matutulog ka. Maayos yung kama. Ano pa to? Naka-egg mattress pa to. So, sobrang sarap lagi na matutulog dito para nasa hotel. And then, syempre hindi ka magbabayad ng kuryente dahil na kamag-anak mo, tita mo, sa kapinsan mo, isa ka sa mga favorite na kapamilya. O tapos, may mga nagluluto. gigisingin ka na lang. O hindi ka pa kumakain. Ganun. Minsan, alas 2, alas 3 na nag-breakfast lunch na sila. Ako nasa kama pa rin. Saka dito, parang wala. Mind your business kung anong ginagawa mo. Tapos magchichikahan lang kayo habang kumakain. Or sila, may mga lakad sila sa simbahan or mga social events nila. O tapos pagdating mo yun, may mga uwi-uwi ng mga pagkain, mga cakes, lechon, tapos mga leche flan. So, nice. Kaya lang, napipilitan kang kumain ng kumain. Kasi nga, sasabayin mo silang kumain, magchichikahan kayo, yun ang catch up nyo. Tapos, papaubos sa'yo yung yung kinain. Kasi sabi nila, ang payat mo. Eh, yun nga, nagpapayat nga tayo para dito sa hulmang yan. Para dun sa cheekbone na yan. Pero I'm blessed with the family on the maternal side kasi they really knew our situation. Parang when mom died, I was just about to turn September yun eh, birthday ko October. So 1 month before my birthday, 7th birthday. And then life happens. So that's my kwento. That's why I have a very dramatic, history, antecedents of the facts. Ganun tayo. I'm in love with the shape of you. So I love having music when I'm studying. Mas nare-relax ako. Lalo na yung mga party music. So habang nagre-review ako, sumasayaw ako. But I really need to establish the environment. Like malinis yung paligid, wala akong gagawin. So kailangan nung nasa condo ako noon, hugas lahat ng hugasin. Nakapagwalis ako ng floor. Yung lamesa clear. As in, pag-study, yun. So, kape na lang ako. Tapos, I'm gonna dance my heart out. Appreciate that I'm blessed with the, intellect, with the resources to go on with law school. That I'm very thankful that I'm given opportunity to excel and, enjoy law school. So, petitioners were convicted in the District Court of the U.S. on 18 counts of indictments charging live poultry code. So, ito yung mga manok-manok. So, under Section 3 of the National Industrial Recovery Act. Philippine-based pa ba to? Which authorizes the President to approve codes for fair competition. So, what are fair competition? Anti-monopoly law. Do we have that in the Philippines? Such a code may be approved for trade or industry upon application by one or more trade in the industrial association. So what are mga industrial associations? Like mga sugarcane, oil, sa agriculture, onion, charva of the Philippines. If the President finds that such association or groups impose no inequitable restrictions on admission to membership, they are representative. And number 2, such codes are not designed to promote monopolies or eliminate or oppress small enterprises and will not operate to discriminate against them, will tend to effectively upsell. Such codes shall not permit monopolies or monopolistic practices. As a condition of his approval, the President may impose such conditions, including requirements for the making of reports. Okay, so this is Pelaez versus Auditor General. Now, I'll try to download that kasi pag naka-footnote siya, I'm in love. Download daw at basahin. So, Pelaez versus Auditor General. Yun kasi. That is 1965. Tama ba? Supranote. So, dahil ang salitang monopoly. Okay, so eto yon. I have to download it. Ilan? Sana 5 pages lang. 9 pages. So that's manageable. Kasi usually the last 3 pages hindi. So sagad na sagad siya. So 9 pages. So that's good. So pag natapos ko na yung explanation sa book and text, that's the only time na babasahin ko yung mga cases. Hindi ko kaya yung multitask na binasa ko yung explanation tapos i-case ko. Gusto ko kasi continuous flow. Okay, so that's page 44. Oh my gosh, 45. So, 40 pages na lang. So, yun lang muna. Bye!